Hey guys, welcome back. We're now working on question number 26 of the Mathematical Analysis Readiness test. So this question is essentially asking us to multiply two different polynomials. So the way I like to do this is I basically set up a box, something like this, and I put each term of the first polynomial up here. So I have an x term, I have a 5 term, and I have a minus y term. And then I put, the terms of the second polynomial along this side here. So again, I have an x term, I have a negative 5 term, and I have a y term. So now I break it up like so. And I am going to basically just fill in each one of these squares and then add up the terms at the end, add the like terms. So first I have x times x, which gives me x squared. Working across this way, now I have 5 times x, which gives me 5x. I have negative y times x, which gives me negative xy. Now working on the next row, I have negative 5x, negative 25, 5y, xy, 5y again, and negative y squared. Excuse me. Sorry, I kind of have some allergies going on here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find all of the like terms and add them together. So, for example, I have this negative 5x and this 5x. Those are going to cancel because together they're just 0. Similarly, I have this negative xy and this positive xy. So those are also going to cancel. Now for the rest of them, I am going to basically just add them up. So I have an x squared term here. I have these common terms here. So that's going to give me a plus 10y. Then I have a minus y squared term and a minus 25. So to be honest, I'm not exactly sure which order they wrote this in, but let's take a look at our answer choices and see if we can find what we're looking for. So just off the top of my head, I noticed that I have a negative 25 term. So looking at my answer choices, A and B are the only ones with that term. So let's go ahead and start there. And I also have 4 terms. So it looks to me like B is going to be my answer, but let's take a look. So we have x squared, which is here, minus 25, which is here, 10y, which is here, and negative y squared, which is there. So that means our answer choice would be option B. So if you had any trouble with this question, I would recommend reviewing multiplying polynomials. I really like using this box method, but of course you could also just distribute. So you would multiply the x into each term, then multiply the 5 in, then multiply the y in, and add them all up. But I just like this layout better. I think it makes it really easy to see your like terms. You can cancel things right from the beginning, and I just think it's a little more organized. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate your feedback. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave me a comment below. All right, I'll see you next time.